what's been on my mind. Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life.
So we are right now in Little Havana, and we're not in Cuba. We're here in the Miami area, and Little Havana is an area in the 1960s. A bunch of Cuban exiles left Cuba because of the Castro regime, and moved to this area, and it became a very popular area for tourists to come and check out everything. It's very hopping, definitely something you should do if you're in the area. Cigar factory where you can see them rolling cigars, and some of them you can take a tour, a 1-hour tour.
Hello.
How can I help you guys? Looking for a fresh tobacco?
Just look at the smell.
These are the light ones, and these are the Cuban tradition right here. Everything we do for Cuban seed, where we use like everybody else doesn't. I can't tell you they have 100% Cuban tobacco. It's not true. And these are usually Dominican Republic or Ecuador that we use the wrapping on the outside. We can't have 100% tobacco because everybody should know we can't deal with Cuba. The United States doesn't want nothing for trade or nothing, so that's against the law.
Right.
So they tell you out there, oh, they got a pure 100% Cuban. They're lying to you.
Yeah.
They're trying to steal your money.
Where did we go horseback riding in Cuba?
Oh, I don't remember the name, but we did go to Cuba.
3 years ago?
Yeah, and we
we
went.
get it first.
I forgot the name of the town, but we went to this town where we went horseback riding in the mountains, and we saw them.
¿Dónde está donde gente turista en Cuba que pueden ir a montar los caballos y tienen la montaña?
Where do you want? Back to that.
At the back.
Thank you.
No welcome, sir.
So we are currently stopping for a little lunch in Little Havana. It's called the Havana Arahi or Ice. I'm not really sure. We just went right inside. Over there is actually a little supermarket.
And what are you going to have?
I'm gonna get the special chicken sandwich, which has besides chicken, red pepper, fried onions, lettuce, and tomato. Looks interesting. And what are you getting? Which is
Breaded
definitely
beef cooked, served with white rice and ripe bananas.
that is definitely a typical Cuban.
And how do you know that?
Because we were in Cuba once before. Besides, we've been in Little Havana before, but it's definitely changed. It's a lot more stuff and more. It's very, very active right now when we drove by. was that we saw when we were in Cuba in front of that.
Should we take a picture in front of that?
Yeah. This is we're on famous Calle Ocho, which is the main street in Havana, Little Havana, and one of the things is the roosters. You'll see them all over the place. So we're now in front of Domino Park, which is also called the Park, and this is where you'll see a lot of mostly men playing dominoes, mostly 55 and older, and you can come and stroll around and watch them playing dominoes.
El son de Cuba, el son de Cuba traigo yo, apúrense que el son llegó, el son de Cuba. El son de Cuba traigo yo, porque la fiesta ya empezó. La fiesta sigue toda la noche con este ritmo tan especial. La gente baila, la gente goza con esa música original. El son de Cuba, el son de Cuba traigo yo. Apúrense que el son llegó. El son de Cuba, el son de Cuba traigo yo, porque la fiesta ya empezó. Ya empezamos a fiestar, mamita, ven, ven y juntos vamos a bailar. La fiesta sigue toda la noche, ven, ven y juntos vamos a gozar. Que yo le traigo mi son son. Anda, sí es la verdad. Que yo le traigo mi son son. Sabroso. Que yo le traigo.
They all come in wooden boxes which are made of cedar. This is cedar. You can keep them for 5 years with the same freshness and quality. You don't need to have a humidor. If you have a humidor, you can have them there forever, right? I have it, I never use it because I prefer to have this. Or you can have 2 mild ones. These are the torpedoes here, inside, fat, big. This is one of my favorite choices. This is what I always buy when I really want to please everybody. If you want to buy for wedding receptions, Christmas Eve.
So this is the Little Havana Walk of Fame, and Gloria Esteban and some other noteworthy people. It's a famous, one of the famous shirt shops where you can get these type of shirts. Are called Guayabera. I know I'm saying it wrong, but this is where you can come and I guess it's popular in Cuba and you
Look
can
like
buy
Ricky
a shirt.
Ricardo.
Yeah.
Yo le traigo mi son son, son 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 para bailar. Yo le traigo mi son son. Eso es.
A couple years ago with our son, we ate at this restaurant, the El Pub restaurant. This is a popular one to go to when you're in the area. It's really good.
Para bailar mi gente, Son, 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 yo le traigo. Eso es, yo le traigo mi son. Son, 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 yo le traigo. Sabroso, rico, rico, son.
So we're stopping at this bakery, It's known for their guava and cheese bakery stuff, so we're going to check it out and see what delicious stuff we can get in Little Havana. So let's see. It's like a croissant. It's really good. It's like a pastry with fruit. Cream cheese, very good.
Porque la fiesta ya empezó. La fiesta sigue toda la noche con este ritmo tan especial. La gente baila, la gente goza con esa música original. Sabroso.